Hi everybody, welcome to 1065 Lyme Court, an executive updated rental in East Bradford Township, Westchester, directly on the Radley Run Golf Course. These amenities are unbelievable. This is Radley Run Golf and Country Club. I've been a long-time member. If you want to live in this home, you can join Radley Run, have pickleball, you can have tennis, you can have swimming, you can have fine dining. It's the award-winning Westchester Schools District. This location offers it all.